It is September 28th, 2021. I'm waiting for the air pressure to come up in my tank. You're looking at a Prime 920. It's a 3-chime locomotive horn, and it's connected by a 150-foot hose to a valve and a compressor air tank. One consequence of the long hose is that there is a very significant attack and decay time. So it takes a while for the horn to get the pressure at the horn to get up to the tank pressure or something like that. And then it takes a long time after the valve is closed for the pressure to drop back to the point where the horn is no longer sounding. So it's a little weird. I need to put a solenoid valve on the horn end of the hose to more closely simulate a locomotive sort of situation. But this is what I have for now. So we'll just wait for the pressure to come up and then we'll blow it a couple times. Alright, I now have the regulator set at 100 pounds, so I'll give it a couple toots. And the 25 bell is facing in my direction, the largest bell is facing my direction. I'll flip it at some point. Here we go. Alright, it's turned around. It's another blast at 100 psi. Okay, we're up to 150 pounds now, and I've got the 25 bell facing away, 31 facing this way. Okay, that was the same situation as last time. It was 135 pounds at the end of the first honk and 120 at the end of the second honk. That's the end of the test.